Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a BMW guys 3 Series. So if you have BMW E90, E91, 92, 93, this is the 3 Series from year 2005 to year 2013 guys, and you need to remove or replace your PCV hose. Stay with us guys and we'll explain how to do that. Because of that hose guys and malfunctioning, okay, your car can catch on fire. There are many cases and BMW even issued a recall guys. If you're in the US, we actually got the recall. But we want to make a video guys for some of you that want to do it on your own. If your vehicle is not covered for some reason, we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos specifically on BMW 3 Series here, that generation. We'll have more than guys probably 400 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing these free videos. If you need to buy a new hose, replacement parts, tools for your BMW, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price. That's where we order our parts from. Now, this is it guys here. The only thing that we have removed is the lower cow trim piece here. We have the video on the channel how to do that. If you don't know, I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, but if you don't see it there for some reason, check it out. It will be on our channel how to remove that windshield cow trim piece guys, so you can get to that part. Otherwise half of the engine right here will be invisible guys, up to like right here, and you won't be able to see more. Now this is guys the PCV heater hose. This is the top part of the hose, this is the bottom part. Really guys, okay, really hard to get to, and some of you may try to reach it from the back side. We were not able to. Okay, I can reach it actually, I can reach it kind of, but I cannot unsnap it because you have to press those things in, okay, and it gets stuck. Let me focus quick here. Okay, let me just switch hands. Okay, perfect. And you need to squish so you can release it and pull it out, but it has an O-ring that gets stuck really bad and we were not able to pull it. So what we'll be doing guys, we'll actually go ahead and remove the intake manifold of the vehicle so we can get to it and explain where all that is located. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So we finally guys removed the intake manifold. Now at that point guys, I recommend to rebuild your whole vent crankcase vent system, also known as the PCV system. What it consists of, okay, let me show you. You have, that's the valve right here, the vent valve, upper hose. You have that hose right here, and you have the lower hose that is going to where the oil dipstick tube usually is guys, so right there. I'll recommend, if you're up to that point, just don't be cheap guys, go the whole route, because later you have to redo everything again. Now we need to get a small screwdriver guys, okay, we'll need to get a small screwdriver and we'll need to disconnect the heater hose. Okay, that's the heater hose, the heater for the upper vent hose right here. This is the third one from up to bottom, second on there. So okay, let me show you how to do that. I cannot get the camera in that. Okay, 1 second. Pry there and just grab and pull it guys. Okay, it goes in the second one. So now guys, this is it right there. And what do we need to disconnect it? We couldn't disconnect it because check out how much room you have here, and you have to press both of those, and on the back side I was not able to do that. And when you press them, okay, you should be able to pull it out, but I still can't guys. It's very limited room. So if you get a small screwdriver, you can pry the clips open on each side. Okay, and it comes out. And that PCV breather valve guys, it will need to be replaced soon. Check it out. Okay, it's getting pretty bad. So definitely guys, it will be in need of replacement. But that's the upper hose. Now when you're ready to install it, all we have to do, get the lower hose guys, the new hose. We'll get the new hose. We're going to wipe everything here, make sure you don't get anything in. But again, I recommend to go the whole route and replace it with a new one. We will have the video on the channel how to replace the whole thing guys, and we'll have the link in the description of the video below how you can actually guys, where you can buy a new vent valve, crankcase vent valve, and how to replace it. We'll have the video as well. And later when you're ready, all we have to do, just go ahead, push it in until it snaps in place. Listen now. Okay, it's pretty tight. Okay, perfect. And you need to reconnect your you actually need to reconnect your heater now. Okay, so this is the second one in our case, and just go ahead and push it in, guys. Okay, you can see, and you're practically ready to go. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Some of you might be able to do it without removing the intake manifold. We were not, but if you want, try without with the removed intake manifold. At least you can see where things are, and I can show you better as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.